In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove the footer on Wix Studio. If you are working inside the Wix Studio editor and you want to get rid of the footer on a specific page or layout, this is a very simple process once you know where to click. The main thing to understand is that the default footer in Wix Studio is often set up as a global section, which means it can't be deleted right away until it's detached first. To begin, open your site in the Wix Studio editor. Once your site is loaded, go to the page where you want to remove the footer. Make sure you are editing the correct layout, because the change you make here should apply only to the page or layout you are currently working on after the footer is detached. Next, scroll all the way down to the bottom of your page layout. When you reach the footer area, click directly on it to select the entire section. It's important to select the full footer section and not just an individual element inside it, like text, an icon, or a menu. If needed, click again until you can clearly see that the whole footer is selected. Now, right-click on the footer and look for the option that says Detach from Global Section. Click that option. This step is necessary because Wix Studio protects default global sections from being deleted immediately. By detaching the footer first, you are turning it into a local section for this page or layout, which allows you to remove it without affecting the footer across the rest of your site. This helps maintain site-wide consistency while still giving you control over this specific design. After the footer has been detached, right-click on it again and choose Delete from the menu. If you prefer, you can also just press the Delete key on your keyboard. Once you do that, the footer should disappear from the page. Before finishing up, take a quick look at the bottom of the layout to make sure everything now ends the way you want it to. Sometimes it's helpful to check the spacing after removing a section so the page still looks clean and balanced. Finally, publish the page to push your changes live. If you don't publish, the removal will only stay inside the editor and won't be visible on the live site. And that's it. Thanks for watching.